Looking for excellent high ratio shortening and want to know where to buy it? The search is over. This article will guide you all about it. What is a shortening? Vegetable shortening is semi-solid fat with low water content and high smoke point. Because of this, it produces tender results in baked goods. Furthermore, oils make a more solid pastry. On the other hand, fats result in a flaky pastry. Additionally, the amount of shortening in batters and doughs differs depending on the baked goods. With that, cakes have 10 to 20% shortening, and pie crusts have above 30%. Loaves of bread have approximately 1 to 2%. High proportions may result in the cake collapsing. It has a high degree of plasticity, good shortening power, and long storage life. In addition to that, shortening does not possess any flavor or odor. And you no longer need to store it in the fridge. Is shortening similar to Crisco? Shortening covers plenty of products. In contrast, Crisco is a famous vegetable shortening brand made by the J.M. Smucker Company in the USA. Also, it is the initial shortening product made entirely of vegetable oils. Since present laws ban trans fat, the harmful trans fat found in the old Crisco formula is the main factor. It gives the buttercream its yummy flavor. Hence, the latest recipe has a greasy feeling aftertaste in the mouth. What is a high ratio shortening and where to buy it? It is 100% fat with no additional water or salt. Also, it has micro-emulsifiers. For this reason, it enables the mixture to keep more liquid and sugar. That is why it is more temperature stable. Moreover, it does not make the icing taste greasy. It also helps to keep more air after whipping it, which will add volume. Likewise, it is white in appearance, so it will not change the color of the icing. Furthermore, it helps to maintain the cakes moist and provides them with a smoother texture. Thereby, high ratio shortening is the best choice for smoother buttercream icing. Likewise, buttercream icing created with high ratio shortening is creamier and more flavorful than Crisco. Moreover, high ratio shortening is best when you are making icing, and it is firmer than usual shortenings. Likewise, it keeps the icing from not breaking down. Moreover, you can purchase high ratio shortening online. In addition to that, Sweetex is the brand name. Although a high ratio shortening costs more than Crisco, you can use less shortening when you make your recipes with it. With that, you can use about 2/3 cup of high ratio shortening for every cup required in the icing recipe. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.